My dear friends, I want to speak to you today about painting. The reason is that when you draw the different drawings and later on I ask you to do the painting, most of you find the painting of the large portions somewhat difficult. The reason is that if you make use of the sketch pens, these sketch pens, then they have got very little ink in them and you cannot make use of them to cover the large area. Whereas when you make use of the crayons or the oil pastels, then you can always cover a very large area quite quickly. But then they are not sharp enough. So there are some advantages of using the oil pastels or crayons, but there are some disadvantages also, and same is with the sketch pens. So I will tell you how to make use of both of them together. The first thing is that remember that these are the oil pastels or crayons. Crayons in the sense they are called as the wax crayons. The meaning is that the oil and wax both are not miscible with the ink, that is a water based ink. So the thing is that once you apply the layer of the wax crayon or oil pastel, the sketch pen will never work on that. So it is important that when you want to make the combination of these two, for the sharpness you can make use of the sketch pens, and for covering the surface you can make use of these crayons or oil pastels. The first work you should complete is of the sketch pens, and after that you must make use of the crayons, and then your pictures will be quite beautiful and just great. Just see here, I will demonstrate it to you and you will come to know. So let us complete the sketch pen work first. So those are the leaves of the palm, coconut palm. Well, so my friends, you can see now that such nice pictures can be drawn by making use of the combination of the sketch pens and then followed by the oil pastels or crayons.